Are you tired of struggling with digital assets and creative tasks? Well, get ahead of the competition with MidJourney's AI-powered design solutions. Are you a business struggling to keep up with the demands of digital assets and creative tasks? Have you put weeks of hard work into a project only to be left disappointed with the result? Or have you felt yourself running out of time and money in the face of complex projects? If any of these problems sound familiar, then get ready, because MidJourney is revolutionizing the way businesses approach digital assets and creative tasks with AI-powered design solutions. Now there's no more stressing out over lengthy, costly projects. With MidJourney, you can enjoy the same amazing visuals in a fraction of the time without sacrificing originality or quality. Join us in exploring the possibilities of MidJourney's AI-driven technology and stay ahead of the competition in the ever-evolving world of design. Discover the power of AI-driven technology with AI Topia and stay ahead of the competition. Subscribe to our channel and keep watching to learn more about how MidJourney is revolutionizing the way that new businesses approach digital assets and creative tasks. Don't miss out. Join us now and explore the possibilities of AI-driven design solutions. MidJourney's accessible Discord chat makes it easy for everyone from beginners to experienced graphic designers to join the future of AI-powered design. Whether you're looking for tutorials, advice from other members, or just a place to show off your projects, MidJourney's Discord has it all. The best part is that all you need is an invitation, which you can easily find on Google. The various channels in the Discord are devoted not only to topics like tutorials and resources and problem solving, but that way, users can not just find answers but also stay informed about what others are working on in their niche market. This gives them the tools they need to succeed in this growing sector of technology innovation before anyone else does. As we witness artificial intelligence making major advances across almost every industry, one question arises: how far will organizations go when incorporating cutting-edge tech into their business plans? MidJourney's AI-powered design solutions have changed the way that designers create images. With just a few seconds of setup time, you can get highly customized images without sacrificing quality. This saves hours of work that professional graphic designers usually have to spend manually crafting graphics. MidJourney's AI-powered design solution has indeed revolutionized the image creation process for designers, and with the ease of use and quick setup time, MidJourney AI has made it possible for designers to generate highly customized images with incredible speed and accuracy. The best part is that this is achieved without compromising on quality. Gone are the days where designers had to spend hours or even days manually crafting graphics with various design tools. With MidJourney AI, designers now have the ability to experiment with all sorts of elements, colors, and styles with just a few clicks. This makes image creation not only faster but also more enjoyable, giving designers the freedom to try out new and creative ideas without the hassle of manual labor. The time saved can now be put into refining and perfecting the image, leading to more polished and professional results. We're seeing more companies turn to AI for faster results and lower costs, but how much should we trust artificial intelligence when it comes to important decisions like aesthetics? What could happen if we rely too much on algorithmic outputs for creative projects? MidJourney's customizable design results in no two projects having the exact same style. Whether you're looking for a photorealistic masterpiece or something like a whimsical Disney-style animation, this platform has it all. Plus, with AI taking care of much of the work, you can save a lot of time compared to traditional methods used by professional graphic designers. This new technology is changing how we think about efficiency when creating digital assets, but it does raise the question about trust and quality assurance when it comes to creative tasks handled by algorithms. How can organizations make sure they get the best out of a project without sacrificing its originality? What type of exercise do you prefer to stay fit and healthy? Leave a comment with your answer. MidJourney is revolutionizing the way that businesses approach digital assets and creative tasks with AI-powered design solutions. Now you can get the same results in a fraction of the time without sacrificing quality. Companies no longer have to worry about complex projects taking up too much time and money. MidJourney offers customizable experiences tailored to their needs so they can guarantee efficiency without compromising originality or affordability. Are you looking for a way to get professional results without spending a lot of money? MidJourney's AI-powered design solution is the perfect choice. You don't need to hire extensive graphic designers or buy expensive design tools. Plus, you don't need highly skilled workers either, so if you're looking for higher quality visuals or just want something done quickly and cheaply, it's the perfect platform for you. When it comes to getting the best design results, it's important to consider both accuracy and cost. How can businesses balance affordability against getting high-quality creative outcomes? MidJourney is the perfect solution for organizations looking to outsource projects with limited budgets or use internally generated resources in search of better designs faster. MidJourney offers business solutions to all kinds of projects, from developing logos to creating product images and animations. This platform makes it easy for companies to keep up with the latest trends in design and without having to hire expensive graphic designers or heavily invest into complex software tools. The AI-driven designs that MidJourney provides can be used internally as well as externally, helping businesses save time and money. Using this new technology also opens organizations up to more creative possibilities than ever before. They're no longer limited by conventional methods and can explore genres like cartoonish animation too. Plus, if you want your business to have brand new identities to stand out amongst its competitors, with all the diverse options available on MidJourney's system, brands can now think of outside the box when designing, which presents exciting opportunities both professionally and creatively. How will algorithmic intelligence impact creativity within an organization? Advanced algorithms can help us with mundane tasks, giving us the freedom to express ourselves beyond what was once thought possible through automated applications. But how do we ensure that authenticity remains untouched through corporate branding efforts? MidJourney's AI-powered design gives you the power to create anything you can imagine. From realistic images to cartoon-style animations, you can make your projects look amazing quickly and easily. No professional designer or expensive software needed. All you need is an invitation from Google.
One of the major problems with this technology is the potential for misuse. For example, individuals or organizations can use MidJourney AI to generate fake images for malicious purposes, like spreading false information or propaganda. This can have serious implications for the credibility of news and organizations, as well as for individual reputations. Another concern with MidJourney AI is the potential for the technology to perpetuate and amplify existing biases and stereotypes. For example, if the training data used to develop MidJourney AI contains a skewed representation of certain groups of people, this can result in the generation of biased images. This can lead to further marginalization of these groups and contribute to harmful stereotypes. And there's also the question of who owns the rights to images generated by MidJourney AI. As the technology advances, it may be increasingly difficult to distinguish between real and fake images, raising questions about the copyright status of these images and who has the right to use them. In conclusion, while MidJourney AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and use images, it's important to consider the potential problems and ethical concerns that come with the technology. Addressing these issues will be critical to ensure that MidJourney AI is used in a responsible and ethical manner.
But with AI taking over more and more tasks, how can you be sure that results will be trustworthy and high quality? Does relying on automation mean sacrificing originality?
MidJourney provides businesses with a revolutionary solution to digital assets and creative tasks with AI-powered design technology, eliminating the stress of lengthy and costly projects, providing amazing visuals in a fraction of the time without sacrificing quality or originality. With the AI-driven technology, businesses can stay ahead of the competition and explore the potential of innovative solutions. MidJourney's accessible Discord chat makes it easy for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced designers, to join the future of AI-powered design. The Discord also offers various channels devoted to topics like tutorials and resources.
AI-driven design can be used in a lot of different industries like marketing, advertising, graphics creation, and animation. This technology can help businesses of all sizes create amazing visuals quickly and save money on hiring freelancers or buying expensive software. But one question remains: how much can we trust machines to make important aesthetic decisions? MidJourney is revolutionizing the way businesses approach digital assets and creative tasks with AI-powered design solutions. This platform makes it easy for companies to keep up with the latest trends in design without having to hire expensive graphic designers or invest heavily into complex software tools. With MidJourney, businesses can get the same results in a fraction of the time without sacrificing quality or originality. The platform also offers customizable experiences tailored to their needs so they can guarantee efficiency without compromising affordability. But the question does remain: how much can we trust machines to make important aesthetic decisions? If you're ready to take your photos to the next level, see how Lensa AI can revolutionize your digital assets and creative tasks in the next video. Don't miss out. Click now to learn more about the power of AI-driven design. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you join AI Topia by subscribing.